Today we're heading down Horseshoe Bend Road to check out the Carson River, but the trail ahead turned out to be muddier and rockier than we were expecting. Oh yeah, that's not great. Unfortunately, we literally got here and that's not the best. I mean, we might be fine. It might be wide enough.
So Nick's saying that we're coming up on something bad. It's looking like a huge rut in the trail. Jeez Louise. All right, here comes Nick. All right, yeah, straighten it out. Oh yeah, we're good, we're good. All right, straight. All right, slow it on down. Now come pretty straight. Ease it on in. All right, you're good, you're good. Straight through this rut. Keep it going. All right, now start driver. Okay, let's go, man.
You all right?
Yeah, that was perfect.
If you stand in there, it comes up a bit above your waist. You definitely don't want to fall in that. This truck's a little wider. Just a little bit. So he brought me pretty much to there, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. It proved to work. Driver. Straighten it a little bit. Keep going, you'll get it. So I went right there. Yep. Got the view.
Did it, guys.
Done with that. That was kind of sketchy, but nothing too bad.
We're gonna have to do it again.
Glad we got that done. Now the issue, as you can see, is we are totally sliding.
Am I looking on the right side?
There's kind of a big rock, but your driver tire is not even headed yet. It's by your door, by your doors. Now your rear tire, and you're about past now. So as you guys obviously can tell, this is kind of it's gotten to get pretty sketchy. At first it was pretty much just mud and we were like, oh, it's fine. And we had to get through the rut, and then we were totally sliding. Probably maybe wait till summer to do the Carson River. It looks super nice. It's great. All right, so we just gone through all that stuff. That stuff is bad. Still got a lot of these rocks right here. Pretty kind of big. They're bigger than we like. All right, straighten it. Yeah. You'll go over it, but it's not bad to go over. All right. So this is rocky. This kind of sucks. Everything. This whole thing kind of sucks. I don't know how we're gonna get home. I'm gonna have to live here. There's a rock here that you'll drop off, but it's not bad. Straight. This is a pretty dumb idea if I'm being completely honest, but it's what we're doing today. It is 12:15. We've been in the bad stuff for about an hour now. All right, straighten it. I'm just getting you around that one. All right, and then bring it right. Driver, hard driver. Yeah, you're good. And then you'll go over the back tire in that rock. I didn't realize that it was this bad.
Yeah, me neither.
I've got to get from down there all the way there, and it took pretty long to do it.
Now we're gonna get Nick going down this. He doesn't have sliders, so we really have to make sure he can get through it nice and steady. Little driver. All right, now Brennan, passenger. Okay, yeah, bring it down. Straight. More. All right, stop. Straight. Now keep coming straight. All right, now passenger. A little bit. All right, stop. Now straight. You're going over a rock. A little bit more. right, now passenger.
That's a tree.
All right, we made it through all of those rocks, and the trucks are in one piece still. They're real muddy,
Oh,
real
yeah.
muddy, but we made it to the Carson River.